shit. Looking at these pairs, ain't shit on here. Nothing I like. Nothing I like to trade. Some bullshit. For them cut it off. Wait, hold on. I might be talking too soon. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, candlestick. Drop that ass, man. One more time. Drop that ass, shawty. Drop that ass. Mm-hmm. Drop that ass, shawty. Yeah. Alright, they're gonna win. Alright. No, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Keep going up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, yeah. No, yeah, yeah. Okay. 1-1. Keep it going, keep it going. Yeah, we might go 2 for 2, we done. $13, $12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we out of there.
This is what I be using Coinbase for investing.
Oh yeah.